In this video, I'm going to show you how to duplicate a campaign in Mailchimp step by step so you can save time, reuse a proven email layout, and make quick edits without building everything from scratch. This is a super useful workflow if you send similar campaigns regularly, want to reuse a design, or just need a faster way to create your next email. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Mailchimp and go to your campaigns dashboard. Once you're in the campaigns area, you'll be able to see your existing email campaigns all in one place. This is where Mailchimp keeps your drafts, sent campaigns, and anything you've already created. Next, find the campaign you want to duplicate. On the right side of that campaign, click the three dots menu. This little menu opens up more actions for that specific email, and it's where Mailchimp keeps the duplicate option. From the drop-down, click Replicate. Mailchimp will instantly create a copy of that campaign for you. This is the main step that saves you from rebuilding the email manually. After you click Replicate, the duplicated campaign will open so you can start editing it. Now it's important to go through each of the key fields and update them so the copy is ready for a new send. First, edit the campaign name. This is mainly for your own organization inside Mailchimp, so give it a clear name that helps you identify it later. A good campaign name makes it much easier to manage your email history, especially if you run multiple versions of similar campaigns. Next, edit the subject line. This is what your audience will see in their inbox, so make sure it matches the purpose of the new email. If you're reusing a previous campaign, you may want to refresh the wording so it feels current and relevant. After that, edit the from name and from email details if needed. This is the sender information your subscribers will see, and it helps make sure the campaign comes from the right brand or person. Then move on to the To section. Review your audience or recipient settings and make sure the duplicated campaign is being sent to the correct list or segment. This is a really important step because even a perfect campaign copy won't help if it's going to the wrong audience. Take a moment to double check everything carefully before you send. Once your name, subject, from details and recipient settings are updated, you're ready for the final step. Click send when everything looks correct. If you're not sending immediately, you can also save it as a draft and come back later. But the process of duplicating the campaign is now complete. And that's it. You've successfully duplicated a Mailchimp campaign and updated it for a new send. This is one of the easiest ways to speed up your email marketing workflow, keep your branding consistent, and avoid doing extra work every time you launch a new campaign. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more Mailchimp tutorials for beginners and creators. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.